In the previous video, I have done up to question number 39, and today I am going to start from question number 40 of the sample questions. Here, question is find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points A 1, -5 and B -4, 5 is divided by the x-axis. As given in the question, points are 1, -5 and second point is B -4, 5. And this line segment is divided by the x-axis, so let P x, 0 be the point on x-axis which has divided this line segment AB in the ratio k:1. So we can write let P x, 0, because we know any point on x-axis is of the format of x, 0, so we have taken x, 0 as the point. So let P x, 0 be the point on x-axis which divides the line segment joining A 1, -5 and B -4, 5 in the ratio k:1. Now, since ratio we have considered k:1, we can apply section formula. So according to the section formula, x, 0 will be -4 into k plus 1 into 1 divided by k plus 1, and for second part, that is y part, it will be 5 into k minus 5 into 1 divided by k plus 1. Now first part is equal to x and second part is equal to 0. So 5k minus 5 by k plus 1 will be equals to 0. 5k minus 5 equals to 0 into k plus 1. If I cross multiply, it will become 0. So 5k equals to minus 5 becomes plus 5. So k equal to 5 divided by 5. So k equal to 1. Therefore, required ratio is 1:1. Now question number 41. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, -3 and B is 1, 4. As given in the question, coordinate of the center is 2, -3 and coordinate of B is 1, 4. We have to find the coordinate of A. So here we have written let the coordinates of A be x, y. Now midpoint of AB is 2, -3 which is the center of the circle. So by midpoint formula, 2, -3 will be x plus 1 divided by 2 and y plus 4 divided by 2. So x plus 1 by 2 equals to 2 and y plus 4 by 2 equals to -3. So x plus 1 equals to 2, 2 is 4. So x equals to 4 minus 1, 3. Again, y plus 4 equals to -3 into 2, -6. So y equal to -6 minus 4, that will give -10. Therefore, the coordinate of point A will be 3, -10. So this point is 3, -10. Question number 42. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360 years. Find their present ages. Let Rohan's present age be x years and his mother's present age will be x plus 26 as given in the question. Mother is 26 years older than Rohan. Now after 3 years, Rohan's age will be present age is x. So after 3 years it will be x plus 3. His mother's age will be present age is x plus 26. So after 3 years it will be x plus 26 plus 3, that is x plus 29 years. Now according to the question, product of these two ages is 360. So we can write x plus 3 into x plus 29 is 360. So x into x plus 29 plus 3 into x plus 29 will give 360. X into x, x square plus 29x plus 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 29, 87 equal to 360. So x square plus 29 plus 3, 32x plus 87 minus 360 equals to 0. So x square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 will give minus 273 equals to 0. Now after this step, we can use quadratic formula or we can go for middle term factorization. Here I am showing it by middle term factorization, but if you want, you can apply quadratic formula. After middle term factorization, we got x square plus 39x minus 7x minus 273 equal to 0. Instead of 32, we are writing 39 minus 7x. From first two, I can take x common, x plus 39. From last two, if I take minus 7 common, we are left with x plus 39, which is equals to 0. So again x plus 39 is taken common, so we are left with x minus 7 equals to 0. Since product of these two is 0, so either first one is 0 or second term is 0. So x plus 39 is 0 means x equal to minus 39, and x minus 7 is 0 means x equal to 7. Now age of a person cannot be negative, so we are rejecting this part, so we have to consider x equal to 7. Therefore Rohan's present age is 7 years. His mother's present age, which is 26 years more, so 7 plus 26, it will be 33 years. I hope question number 42 is clear. Now let me explain question number 43. In the given figure, xy and x prime y prime are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O, and another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x prime y prime at B. We have to prove that angle AOB equals to 90 degree. So in this figure, xy and x prime y prime are two parallel tangents. AB is another tangent. We have to show angle AOB, this angle is 90 degree. Here we can write xy and x prime y prime are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O, and tangent AB intersects at A and B. We have to show that angle AOB equals to 90 degree. As without construction it is not possible, so in the construction part we have to write, let us join O and point C. Now in the proof part we have to start from triangle OPA and triangle OCA. In OPA and OCA, OP equal to OC, OP equal to OC because both of them are radii of the same circle. AP equal to AC because these are tangents from an external point, and we know tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal, and AOE is common. So here OP equal to OC, PA equal to CA, and OA is common. So we can write here in triangle OPA and OCA, OP equal to OC, radii of the same circle, AP equal to AC, tangents from point A, and AO equal to AO, common side. So triangle OPA is congruent to triangle OCA by SSS congruence, that means side side side. Since these two triangles are congruent, angle POA, this angle, and COA are equal, so angle POA and COA are equal. Similarly we can show these two triangles are congruent, so QOB and angle COB also will be equal, so this angle will be equal to this angle. Similarly we can write triangle OQB congruent to triangle OCB, so angle QOB equal to angle COB. Now POQ is the diameter of the circle. Since POQ is the diameter, so sum of these four angles equal to 180. These two angles are equal, already we have shown, and these two angles are also equal, and sum of these four angles will be 180. So we can write angle POA plus COA plus angle COB plus QOB equals to 180. We know angle POA equal to angle COA and QOB equal to COB. So instead of POA, we can write COA plus COA plus COB plus, instead of QOB, we can write COB equals to 180. Now COA twice, COB also twice. If I take 2 common, it will be twice COA plus COB equals to 180. COA plus COB, sum of these two angles, it is AOB. Now if you see COA, COA and COB, sum of these two angles equals to AOB. So we can write angle AOB equals to 180 by 2, and 180 by 2 is 90. So angle AOB is 90 degree, hence proved. In question number 44 it is given a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle as shown in the figure. We have to show that AB plus CD equals to AD plus BC. Here a quadrilateral ABCD is given, ABCD is given, is drawn to circumscribe a circle, and here it is touching at P, Q, R and S. We have to show AB plus CD equals to AD plus BC. Now we know lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So since these are all tangents, so we can write DR equal to DS, these are tangents from point D, CR equal to CQ, tangents from point C, then BP equals to BQ, tangents from point B, and AP equal to AS, these are tangents from point A. So we can write here DR equal to DS, CR equal to CQ, BP equal to BQ, and AP equal to AS. Let it be equation number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have to show AB plus CD equals to AD plus BC. So we are starting from the left hand side, that is AB plus CD. AB plus CD. Now AB can be written as AP plus PB. So instead of AB I am writing AP plus PB, and instead of CD we can write CR plus RD. CR plus RD. Now from equation 1, 2, 3, 4 we can write AP equal to AS, PB equals to BQ, CR equal to CQ, and RD equal to DS. Now AS and DS we can combine together, and BQ and CQ we can combine. Now AS plus DS is AD, and BQ plus QC is BC. So we can write AS plus DS is AD and BQ plus CQ is BC, which is the required right hand side. Hence proved. In question number 45 it is given, in a circle of radius 21 cm, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the length of the arc and the area of the sector formed by the arc, and we have to use pi equals to 22/7. Now here in the question it is given radius of the circle is 21 cm and the central angle is 60 degree. So radius of the circle is 21 cm, angle subtended by the arc is 60 degree. Now we have to find the length of the arc. Now length of the arc formula is 2 pi r theta by 360. We can write theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Here theta is 60 degree, so 60 by 360 into 2. Instead of pi we are writing 22/7 into r is 21. 60 and 360 if I cancel it will be 1/6 into 2 into 22. 21 and 7 can be cancelled. 7 3 are 21, so it will be 3. So 1/6 into 2 into 22, and 21/7 is 3. Now 3 2 are 6. 6 and 6 can be cancelled. We are left with 22. Therefore length of the arc ACB, this length is 22 cm. Again it is given, we have to find the area of the sector. Area of the sector formula is pi r square theta by 360. So we can write theta by 360 into pi r square. Here it is 60 as given in the question by 360 into pi r square. 60 and 360 can be cancelled. We will get 1/6 into pi is 22/7 into 21 into 21, because radius is 21, so it will be 21 into 21. Now if I cancel 7 and 21, 3 7 are 21, 3 2 are 6, and 2 11 are 22. So 11 into 21 will give 231. Therefore area of the sector is 231 cm square. In question number 46 is given that the following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during the year. Based on the information, find median of the given data. Here ages in years given and number of patients given, and based on the table we have to find the median age. In the question it is given that age in years 5 to 15, number of patients 6, 15 to 25 11, 25 to 35 21, 35 to 45 23, 45 to 55 14, 55 to 65 5. Now to calculate the cumulative frequency, 6 will remain 6, 6 plus 11 will give 17, 17 plus 21 will give 38, 38 plus 23 will give 61, 61 plus 14 will give 75, and 75 plus 5 80. So sum of frequencies will be 80. So total number of patients 80, so we can write n equals to 80. So n by 2, 80 by 2, that is 40. Now the cumulative frequency which is just greater than 40 is 61. So 35 to 45 is the median class. So we can write here the cumulative frequency just greater than 40 is 61, which corresponds to the class 35 to 45. So this is the median class. So lower limit of the median class is 35. Frequency of the median class is 23, and cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class is 38. So we can write here lower limit of the median class L is 35, frequency of the median class F is 23, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, that is CF, is 38, and the class size is 10. Now median formula we know L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. L is 35 plus n by 2 we got 40 minus Cf. Cf is the cumulative frequency, that is 38, into h is 10. So 35 plus 40 minus 38 is 2. 2 into 10, 20. 20 by 23. So 35 plus 20 divided by 23 will give 0.869. If I add 35 with 0.869, it will be 35.869. After rounding off, it will become 35.87. So median age is 35.87 years. Now question number 47. Based on the information given in question number 46, that means we have to see this table, we have to find the mean of the given data. In this question, age in years and number of patients are given. We have to find the mean, and here I am using assume mean method or deviation method. Now since these two are given, now we have to find the class mark. To find the class mark, formula is upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. To find this class mark, we have to add 5 and 15. 5 plus 15 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Similarly, 15 plus 25, that will give 40. 40 by 2 is 20. Since here class size is 10, so if we keep on adding 10, then also we'll get class mark. So 10 plus 10, 20, plus 10, 30, plus 10, 40, 50 and 60. Now from this class mark, we have considered suppose 30 to be the assumed mean. It's up to you. If you want, you can consider this also. Any value can be considered as assumed mean. We have considered 30 to be the assumed mean. Now if I consider a equal to 30, then deviation formula is xi minus a, that means xi minus 30. Now 10 minus 30 will be minus 20, 20 minus 30 will be minus 10, 30 minus 30 0, 40 minus 30 10, 50 minus 30 20, 60 minus 30 30. So we got deviation. Now we have to multiply fi and di to obtain this value fi di. Now 6 into minus 20 minus 120, 11 into minus 10 minus 110, 21 into 0 0, 23 into 10 230, 14 into 20 280, 5 into 30 150. Then we have to add all the frequencies. After adding all the frequencies, we got 80, and after adding all the FIDI, here all the positive we have to add together, all the negative we have to add, then we got it is 430. Now we have to use the formula for mean, that is a plus summation FIDI by FI. Here we got FI to be 80 and summation FIDI is 430. So a, as we have considered 30, plus FIDI is 430 divided by FI, that is 80. Now 430 and 80, these zeros can be cancelled, so we'll get 30 plus 43 by 8. So it will be 30 plus, if I divide 43 by 8, it will be 5.375. After adding, it will be 35.375. If I round off, it becomes 35.38. Therefore mean age is 35.38 years. In question number 48, it is given that if alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial px equal to 3x square minus twice x minus 6, then find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. As given in the question, polynomial is 3x square minus twice x minus 6, and alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial. Now we know sum of the zeros formula is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So alpha plus beta will be minus, coefficient of x is minus 2 and coefficient of x square is 3. So it will be minus of minus 2 by 3. So alpha plus beta will be minus minus plus 2 by 3. Let it be equation number 1. Again, product of zeros formula is constant term by coefficient of x square. Here constant term is minus 6 and coefficient of x square is 3. So alpha into beta equals to, constant term is minus 6 by 3. So alpha into beta is minus 2. We have to find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. LCM of alpha and beta is alpha beta. Alpha beta divided by alpha is beta. So I have written here plus alpha beta divided by beta is alpha. Alpha into 1 alpha. Now we got alpha plus beta 2 by 3 and alpha beta is minus 2. So instead of alpha plus beta we can write 2 by 3 and alpha beta is minus 2. This minus I have written here 2 and 3 and 2 will be multiplied. So minus 2 by 3 into 2. 2 can be cancelled. So we are left with minus 1 by 3. which is the required answer. In question number 49, it is given that a tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part is 2.1 and 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter, find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter, and we have to use pi as 22/7. So here two things we have to calculate. First is area of the canvas used for making the tent, and second is the cost of the canvas. As given, a tent is in the form of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. Here it is given this diameter is 4 meter, height of the cylindrical part 2.1 meter, and the slant height of the conical part is 2.8 meter. Now in cylindrical part diameter is 4, so radius will be half of it, 4 by 2, 2 meter, height is 2.1 meter. Now in case of conical part, radius will be same, so since radius here is 2, so here also radius will be 2. Slant height is given 2.8 meter, let it be L. We have to find area of the canvas used. For this we have to find the curved surface area of the conical part plus curved surface area of the cylindrical part. So area of the canvas used, we can write CSA of the cylinder plus CSA of the cone. For curved surface area of the cylinder, we know formula is 2 pi RH, and for the cone it is pi RL. From here pi r can be taken common. It will be twice h plus L. Pi is 22/7. Radius is 2. Twice h is 2.1 into L given 2.8. So 22/7 into 2, that is 44/7. 2 into 2.1 is 4.2 plus 2.8. 44/7 into 4.2 plus 2.8 will give 7. This 7 can be cancelled. So we are left with 44 meter square. Therefore, area of the canvas used is 44 meter square. Now we have to find the cost of canvas, as given that cost of 1 meter canvas is rupees 500. And we have to calculate for 44 meter square. Therefore, cost of 44 meter square canvas is 500 into 44, which will give 22,000. Therefore, area of the canvas is 44 meter square and cost of the canvas is rupees 22,000. In question number 50, it is given that if alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial px equal to ax square plus bx plus c, then evaluate alpha minus beta whole square. Here px is ax square plus bx plus c, and here as given alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. We know sum of zeros is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So alpha plus beta equals to minus coefficient of x is b and coefficient of x square is a. So it will be minus b by a. Again, product of zeros formula is constant term by coefficient of x square. Product of zeros alpha into beta will be c by a. Now alpha minus beta whole square. Since we know alpha plus beta and alpha beta, we have to express alpha minus beta whole square in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, and the formula is alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Now alpha plus beta whole square, we know alpha plus beta is minus b by a, so minus b by a whole square minus 4 alpha beta is c by a. So it will be b square by s square minus 4c by a. From s square and a, LCM will be s square. A square divided by s square is 1. 1 into b square minus a square divided by a will be a into 4c, 4ac. So this is the required answer. In question number 51, it is given if the 5th and 12th term of an AP are 30 and 65 respectively, then find the sum of its first 20 terms. Here 5th term is 30 and 12th term is 65, and we have to find the sum of 20 terms. Now since 5th term is 30, we can write the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. Since n is 5 here, so a plus 5 minus 1 into d will be 30. So a plus 4d equals to 30. Let it be equation number 1. Again it is given 12th term is 65. So a12 is 65. A plus 12 minus 1 into d is 65. A plus 11d equals to 65. So we got two equations. Now if we subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2, then we are going to get a plus 11d is 65. A plus 4d equals to 30. Since we are subtracting, we have to change the sign. So here plus will become minus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. Plus a minus a can be cancelled. 11 minus 4 is 7. 7d equals to 35. So d is 35 by 7. So d we got 5. Now in the equation number 1 we got a plus 4d is 30. Now if we replace d equal to 5 in equation number 1, so in equation number 1 it was a plus 4d is 30. So a plus 4, instead of d we are writing 5 equals to 30. So a equals to 30 minus 4 5 is 20, that will give 10. So we got a 10, d 5, and we have to find the sum of 20 terms. Now we know sum formula is n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. So sum of 20 terms will be 20 by 2 twice a plus 20 minus 1 into d. Here d is 5. So 20 by 2 10, 20 plus 20 minus 1 is 19, 19 5 is 95. So 10 into 95 plus 20 will give 115. 115 into 10 is 1150. Therefore sum of first 20 terms is 1150. In question number 52, it is given that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, and then prove that the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This is Thill's theorem or basic proportionality theorem, which is already uploaded in my channel, so you can write from that. Next question, that is question number 53. In the given figure, PA, QB and RC are each perpendicular to AC such that PA equals to X, QB equal to Z, RC equal to Y, AB equals to A and BC equals to B. Prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Y equals to 1 by Z. Here it is written in the given figure, but the figure is not given, so figure will be like this. So if I consider PA, QB and RC are perpendiculars on line AC, and it is given that PA equal to X, QB equals to Z, RC equals to Y and AB equals to A and BC equals to B. Here we have to show 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equals to 1 by Z. Now first of all we are going to take PAC and QBC. So this one I have drawn separately, PAC, that is PAC, QBC. Here this angle is 90, this angle is also 90 because this is perpendicular, this one is also perpendicular, so these two angles will be 90 degree, and this angle is common, so this is the common angle. So in triangle PAC and QBC, PAC equal to QBC each 90 degree, and this angle PCA and QCB, these two angles are common. So we can say PAC is similar to triangle QBC by angle similarity. When two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. Here we know this one is X, this is A plus B, this is B and this is Z. Since corresponding sides are proportional, we can write QB by PA equal to BC by AC. So we can write Z by X equal to B by A plus B. So let it be equation number 1. Again we are considering the other part, that is ABQ and ACR. This one also I have drawn separately, ABQ and ACR. In these two triangles, this is 90, this is also 90 and this angle is common. So we can write in triangle QBA and triangle RCA, these two angles are 90, so QBA equals to RCA and both of them are 90 degree. Again QAB equal to RAC, this is the common angle. So triangle QBA similar to triangle RCA by angle similarity. Since these triangles are similar, so corresponding sides will be proportional. So this is Y, this is A plus B, this part is A and this part is Z. Since corresponding sides are proportional, we can write QB by RC, AB by AC. So we can write Z by Y equal to A by A plus B. So in the first equation we got Z by X is B by A plus B. Here we got Z by Y, A by A plus B. On adding equation 1 and 2, we will get Z by X plus Z by Y equals to B by A plus B plus A by A plus B. From here I can take Z common, so 1 by X plus 1 by Y equals to, here A plus B will be the LCM. It will be B plus A, because A plus B divided by A plus B is 1. 1 into B, B plus A plus B divided by A plus B is 1. 1 into A, A. So z 1 by x plus 1 by y equals to b plus a and a plus b. Both are same, so it can be cancelled. So we are left with 1. So 1 by x plus 1 by y equals to 1 by z. This z, if I shift, it will become 1 by z. So we got the relation that is to be proved. That is 1 by x plus 1 by y equals to 1 by z. In question number 54, it is given a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point, on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. Here we can consider AB is the tower and BC is the width of the canal. C and D are the observation points and the distance between C and D is 20 meter. This angle is 60 and this is 30. So we can write let AB be the TV tower and BC be the canal. C and D are the observation points. It is given that CD is 20 meter, angle ACB is 60 degree and ADB is 30 degree. We have to find the height of the tower, that is AB, and the width of the canal, that is BC. Here AB is the TV tower and BC is the canal and CD is 20 meter. So if we take the smaller triangle first, that is ABC, in right triangle ABC, we know tan 60 is AB by BC. Here we are using tan theta because this hypotenuse is not required. So if we apply tan 60 will be AB by BC. Tan 60 value is root 3 equal to AB by BC. So if I cross multiply, AB equal to BC root over 3. Let it be equation number 1. Again, if you consider the bigger triangle, that is ABD, here also we have to use tan 30 because here we require perpendicular and base, hypotenuse is not required. So tan of 30 will be AB by BD. So tan 30 we know 1 by root 3 equals to AB. Instead of BD, we are writing BC plus 20 because CD is given 20 meter. 1 by root 3 equals to, we got AB as BC root 3 in equation number 1. So instead of AB, we can write BC root 3 by BC plus 20. Now if I cross multiply 1 into BC plus 20, it will be BC plus 20 equals to root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into BC, 3BC. So 20 equals to 3BC minus BC. If I transfer this BC in the other side, it will be minus BC. So 3BC minus BC is 2BC. So BC equals to 20 divided by 2. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So the width of the canal we got 10 meter. Again, AB equal to BC root 3. So from 1, AB equals to 10 root 3. BC is 10. So instead of BC root 3, we can write 10 root 3 meter. Therefore, the height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter and the width of the canal is 10 meter. Suppose in the question, if they provide root 3's value, then we have to multiply with 10. I hope this sum is clear. Question number 55, it is given the mileage kilometer per liter of 50 cars of the same model was tested by manufacturer and details are tabulated as given below. So this table is given. This is mileage kilometer per liter and number of cars. We have to find the mean mileage. Here mileage kilometer per hour, this is given, number of cars given, so Fi is already given. We have to find the class mark. To find the class mark, we have to add the lower limit and upper limit, then we have to divide by 2. 10 plus 12 is 22. 22 divided by 2 is 11. Since here class size is 2, so if we keep on adding 2, we will get remaining class marks. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. From this class mark, suppose 15 is the assumed mean. We can consider any value. Here I have taken A equal to 15. Next for deviation, which is xi minus a, and here a is 15. So 11 minus 15 will give minus 4. 13 minus 15 minus 2. 15 minus 15 0. 17 minus 15 2. So we got deviation. Now we have to multiply fi and di. 7 into minus 4 minus 28. 12 into minus 2 minus 24. 18 into 0. 13 to the 26. Now if I add these frequencies, total frequency is 50. Here all the negative values we have to add together. Then we have to add with 26. So result we got minus 26. So we got summation fi di and summation fi. Here we have considered 15 to be the assumed mean, so that we have to mention let assumed mean A be 15. Now the formula for mean is A plus summation FIDI by FI. Here A is 15 plus FIDI is minus 26 and FI is 50. So 15 plus minus minus, if I cancel 26 and 50 by 2, I am going to get 13 by 25. Now LCM of here it is 1. So 1 and 25 is 25. 25 divided by 1 is 25. 25 into 15, 375. Minus 25 divided by 25 is 1. 1 into 13, 13. So 375 minus 13 will give 362 divided by 25. If we divide 362 by 25, we will get 14.48. Therefore, mean mileage is 14.48 km per liter. And this is the last sum from this sample paper. I hope these sums are clear. Now practice these sums, and thank you for watching.